Welcome back, sleep enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the realm of midnight snacks that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also set the stage for a restful night's sleep. Say goodbye to tossing and turning, and let's explore some superfoods that can make a real difference in your sleep quality. First up on our list is the humble banana. Packed with magnesium and potassium, bananas help relax your muscles and regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Consider slicing one into a bowl of yogurt or enjoy it as a quick and easy standalone snack before bedtime. Now, let's talk about almonds. These little powerhouses are rich in magnesium and also contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. A small handful of almonds could be the perfect bedtime treat. You might want to pair them with a piece of dark chocolate for a delightful combination that satisfies your sweet tooth and supports a good night's sleep. Moving on to our next contender, warm milk. It's not just an old wives' tale, there's science behind it. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps induce sleep. Add a dash of honey for sweetness, and you've got yourself a soothing bedtime beverage. Let's not forget about cherries, nature's little sleep aid. Cherries are a natural source of melatonin, and studies suggest that regularly consuming them may improve your sleep duration and quality. Whether fresh or dried, cherries can be a delightful addition to your evening routine. Now, we can't talk about bedtime snacks without mentioning Greek yogurt. It's high in protein and calcium, which can contribute to a feeling of fullness and promote muscle relaxation. Top it with a drizzle of honey and some berries for a delicious and sleep-inducing treat. As we wrap up our culinary journey to dreamland, remember that it's not just about what you eat, but also about creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Experiment with these superfoods, find what works for you, and say hello to sweet dreams and better sleep. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sleep tips and wellness content. Until next time, sleep tight.